Do you know someone who is helping people in the Black community overcome self-destructive behaviors and adopt productive ones? Then nominate them for the I Am Control Award. The I Am Control Award is given to those who advocate for, encourage, and develop positive and constructive systems that help us maintain the self-awareness and discipline to deny self-destructive impulses within ourselves and destructive activities within our families and communities. It is for warriors working to help us all maintain internal, familial, and community well-being. The I Am Control Award categories are life management skills, anger management skills, guidance, mentoring, drug abuse rehabilitation. If there is a person or organization whose work and commitment to you, your family, your city, or our people should be recognized, nominate them for the I Am Control Award at HigherSelfAwards.org. Nominate a hero.
Sponsored by I Am Apparel and Products. By the way, 12% of your purchase is donated to winners of the HigherSelf Awards. That means your purchase will help HigherSelf Awards winners build the health, economic security, and social well-being of Black communities. Visit us at iamproducts.store.